Question number 30. What does the capital market primarily deals in? Real estate and property? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Short term financial instrument? नहीं भैया नहीं. Long term financial securities? हाँ जी. Commodities like gold and oil? नहीं. तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा सी. Absolutely right. The capital market deals in long-term financial instruments like equity shares, preferential, debentures, government and non-government bonds. It helps meet the long-term financial needs of businesses and government. ठीक है. Question number 31. Which of the following is a function of capital market? Providing daily wage, employment, performing trade-off between demand and supply of long-term funds, managing current accounts for customers, printing currency for RBI. सी और डी तो भैया बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. ए प्रोवाइडिंग डेली वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट ये भी नहीं होगा, तो बी होगा फिर इसका आंसर. Perfect answer. One of the important functions of the capital market is to perform trade-offs functions, meaning it helps balance the demand and supply of long-term funds, ensures that investments go where they are needed the most, contributes to the overall economic efficiency. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 आप सबके स्क्रीन पर है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कैपिटल मार्केट? It deals in long-term securities. It helps in capital formation. It satisfies short-term liquidity needs of banks. It encourages investment by the public. Which of the following is not a characteristics of capital market? It satisfies short-term. देखो सी तो होने वाला नहीं. सी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. अच्छा तो नॉट ही तो पूछा हुआ, तो सी होगा फिर इसका आंसर. Gajab, exactly right. Capital market does not satisfy short-term liquidity needs. That's the role of the money market. Instead, capital market focuses on long-term investment, capital formation, encouraging public investment, balancing long-term supply and demands of funds. ठीक है. Question number 33 आप सबके स्क्रीन पर है. Which of the following is a riskier market with higher returns? Capital or money? Simple. Capital market. Absolutely correct. The capital market is riskier due to uncertainty in company performance, market volatility, etc., but offers high returns through dividends, capital gains, bonus shares. The money market, in contrast, is safer, more liquid, but yields lower returns. Question number 34. Which of the following market offers maximum liquidity and deals in instrument like call money and treasury bills? Ulta question. B. Money market. Bang on. Money market offers maximum liquidity because it deals with highly liquid instruments like call money, treasury bills, commercial papers. These instruments are short term and easily convertible to cash. That's why banks and government prefer it to managing short term needs. ठीक है जी.